Let's discuss the facts about Farmington Hills, Michigan that you guys probably don't know. And if you're looking to move to Farmington Hills, then you're going to know this information so you can make a more informed decision. What's up? My name is Ahmed Zamzam. I'm a local realtor based out of Bloomfield, Michigan, and I help people achieve their home buying and selling goals using modern strategies. So if you like how buying or selling a home in the state of Michigan, don't hesitate to reach out. Now, let's get started by talking about the thriving community. Farmington Hills has a growing population in a diverse demographic. It has a population of approximately 83,000 people, which is made up of a diverse range of different backgrounds, races, and religions, making it ideal for many individuals who like living in diverse neighborhoods. Now, with that being said, there are several churches, temples, and mosques in the area, and I can't get into it heavily due to real estate steering laws, but you can definitely check out niche.com and neighborhoodscout.com to do some independent research. Now, with that diverse community comes a very friendly and welcoming atmosphere that really makes the city feel like home. There's a lot of local events and activities that create a more engaging community, such as the Farmington Founders Festival and the 5K Color Run, which runs every July. You can check out more information at fhgov.org, and we also have the Farmington Farmers Market in downtown Farmington, which is only open Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., so keep that in mind if you'd like to attend. Now, overall, the city of Farmington Hills does have a huge sense of community and opportunities to join and get to know your neighbors in the city. So definitely check out fhgov.org and be sure to check out all the events that the city has to offer. Now, moving on, we have the education. Farmington Hills has a great education system and ranks an A- on niche.com. They also have great teachers who are highly committed and performing to ensure your loved ones get a good education. The schools also offer a wide range of extracurricular activities they can check out on the district's website. Now, I can't heavily discuss the topic of education, so unfortunately, I do once again have to suggest and redirect you to the district's website, along with niche.com and neighborhoodscout.com to do your own independent research. Now, let's talk about the parks in the city. Farmington Hills has several parks, such as Heritage Park, Woodland Hills Nature Park, and Shiawassee Park. Each of these parks has their own uniqueness, so let's break each of them down, starting with Heritage Park. Now, Heritage Park is located on the west side of Farmington Road between 10 and 11 Mile Road. It offers 211 acres and 4.5 miles of trails for hiking and nature study. In the winter, these trails are used for cross-country skiing, and the park also offers a large picnic area, which is located at the north end of the park. The picnic area can also be reserved in advance for a small fee. Also, according to Heritage Park's Facebook page, dogs aren't allowed in the park, and I actually found that surprising because I always saw parks over there. So, or at least when I was growing up and I'd be there. So, yeah, that was pretty surprising to me. But moving on is Woodland Hills Park. This park offers 74 acres and it allows for quiet observation of birds and animals, making it great for bird watching and photography of animals and plants. You'll also find lots of deer here. Aside from that, they do prohibit bicycles and pets. Now, lastly, we have Shiawassee Park, and it's honestly the closest thing you'll find to a dog park in Farmington Hills. And due to them being pet friendly, they do have complimentary litter bags as well, so there you go. And if you're looking to spend time with family and friends, then Heritage Park would probably be your best option, as they do have an actual park, they have swing sets and things that you and your loved ones can actually do. Now, finally, we have the location. Farmington Hills is located in a prime area with a massive selection of shopping and dining options, not to mention the close proximity to major highways and the short 30-minute drive to Detroit. Finally, we have location. Farmington Hills is located in a prime area with a massive selection of shopping and dining options, not to mention the close proximity to major highways and the short 30-minute drive to the Detroit Metropolitan Airport. This city is honestly perfect for those who like to go out. So if we were to recap what we covered, the 4 things we spoke about were the thriving community, education, parks, and the convenient location. Overall, there are plenty of benefits to living in Farmington Hills, and if you are considering moving to Farmington Hills, then you definitely want to check out the city on a more in-depth level. So if you're interested in obtaining more information or need help buying or selling a home in Farmington Hills or the surrounding areas, don't hesitate to reach out. All my contact information will be down below in the description, and I'll see you guys later.